Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Liz and I hope you enjoy this unbagging with me. This morning I got a lovely pink bag in the post. Who doesn't like a bit of pink? Please excuse the bits of glitter that you can see on this quilt cover at the moment because I've been crafting and I'm covered in glitter, so everything's covered in glitter. I've opened this bag already because it was quite a tough one. So let's have a look at the first thing that we've got inside. Oh, right, I've been waiting for these to come. Bit late for this Christmas, but should be okay for next Christmas. It's a diamond painting plaque. Now, it's actually a tin plaque, would you believe? And it's like a tray. Okay, oh, that's good. Okay, let's have a look at this. So we've got our little beginner's toolkit. You get your pen and a little bit of like glue wax, as everybody calls it, a little boat to put your beads, drills in, and a few little resealable bags that you can use. Okay, so that's everything you need if you're wanting to start diamond painting. There's the drills. Oh, we'll have a look at those in a minute. They look fab. Okay, and voila, look, it's a tin tray. So you can use it as a wall plaque, you can use it as a decoration. I'm not sure if it would go outside, possibly if you sealed it, I'm not really sure. I might try that and see. So look, it even comes with a bit of string already on it, so you can hang it up. That's brilliant. Okay, so it's what we call a partial drill, so it's only sticky on the bits where the drills go there, look. Okay, look at that. I love that treat, and look where all these are going to go. All these big jewels. We've got a little robin. I love robins. They're so cute, and all the presents under the tree. Hope you're getting lots of presents under your tree if you celebrate Christmas. That'll be wonderful. Oh, we've got another little robin there as well. It's amazing what you see when you start opening these things and looking at them. Okay, so let's have a look at those drills. Right, so let's get into this bag. Excuse if you don't like crinkling. This has got special drills in it. Let's pop that out the way. So what have we got in here? Oh, look at these. Wow, look at those big gold ones. They're right there to go on the tree. They're super. I love those. And then, oh, we've got some smaller ones as well. Turn them over so you can see them. Look at those. Oh, they're brilliant. Lovely little jewels there. Oh, I'm going to be doing this one straight away. I know everybody says that. Oh, what have we got now? So, we've got some big ones there, look. Okay. And they're faceted, they're nice. Okay, and then we've got some large round ones. Okay, they look really good. And then some small faceted blue ones. Oh, look at that colour. They're really going to shine and pop. Okay, and then what's this one? Oh, little red ones. I've got quite a few of those. I do like all these like gem type beads. They're great. And oh, look at those. They're like big buttons. Oh, they remind me of chocolate covered coins. That's making me hungry now. Okay, so that's those. And then what else have we got? Oh, look, little stars. Lots of little stars. What you'd expect to see on a Christmas tree. Lots of stars. Okay, and then let's have a quick look. Oops, sorry, I'm just taking you for a ride there, making you dizzy. Look at these. Oh, look at that green. That's a good one. I like that one. Oh, silver. Can't do with that bit of silver. That one's a nice pinky colour. And some gold. And like turquoisey sea bluey colour. Nice reddy colour. Gold, gold, gold. Some more blue and some more silver. Wow, that is absolutely fab. I love that. Let's just have a look at where these are. So what I would say when you're doing anything that's special drill, because some of these drills are coming, you can see that, coming quite close up to these large ones, I would always put your large gems on first. So then you're putting your smaller ones around, because sometimes when you put your big ones on, by the time, when you put your smaller ones around, by the time you get to put your big ones on, you might not have left enough gap. So I always do my special drills, my large ones first, particularly on something like this. So there you are. That's all that one. I'm going to get that done and then I will let you see what it looks like when it's all finished. But that is fantastic. Right, okay, give me a minute and we'll be on to the next one. And we're back. So what's in the next one? Oh yes, we've got another plaque. Now then, this is a different one, okay. And again, they come in a nice sturdy box, so they've not got squashed. It's got all your instructions on the back, look there, telling you how to diamond paint if you're new to this. So these would make a fantastic present. These are great, I love them. In fact, once they're done up as well, they'd make a nice present. So it might be a bit late to get them for Christmas this year, but you could certainly look at getting them for Christmas next year. So we've got our drills again and our little starter toolkit, which at the moment people seem to be using multiple tray stands and putting multiple beads in them, drills in them. So it's quite good to have these. To be honest, I'm too clumsy. I can only have one thing open at once, otherwise they all go everywhere. Okay, so we've got a lovely string again to hang it up. And which is this one? Oh, look at that. He is super. Look at that gorgeous face, lovely smiley Santa. Oh, and he's got a little bird in his hat, look. That's fab. All this is going to be drilled around here. Snowflakes, he's holding a little tree, look, with his little glove. Oh, that is lovely. Oh, look, and we've got another little bird here, just sat in his beard. Oh, that is great. Look at that. And again, just the drill area, not this part, but this part is all sticky to put your drills on there. Oh, that is so fun. Definitely gonna get these done and put up for Christmas. These are my next project. Okay, again, it's tin, so they're quite durable. If you could use it as a little tray, I wonder if the heat, no, maybe, I don't know, but definitely good as a Christmas decoration or a table decoration. Okay, let's put Santa down there. And let's have a look at some drills. Oh, they don't make these easy to get into, do they? Okay, let's get these open. Okay, let's see if we can find the special ones first. Okay, oh wow. Look at those. You can see those, look at those. Like snowflakes. Oh, all iridescent. Oh, look at that. I wonder if that's an AB coating, Aurora Borealis coating. There you are. Okay, that's that one. And some stars. Oh, they're quite fun. Excuse the traffic outside. And, oh, look, little slivers. Little, like, marquees. Really, really tiny. There you are, focus. Oh, and they have got an Aurora Borealis coating on them. So they're really good. That's just like the Northern Lights. We can actually see Northern Lights from some parts of the UK at the moment. So we're doing okay with that for now. I'd love to see them myself. I've seen a daytime, like a rainbow, but I've never seen the Northern Lights. Let me know whether you've ever been and seen them. It's one of my ambitions, is that, to go and see those. Okay, and then some more little stars. They're smaller than the others. Again, you can never have too many little sparkly stars at Christmas. Okay, and then let's have a look at the standard gems. Wow, these are lovely. Look at those. Okay, pink there. Oh gosh, look at all those silver. Wow. I'm looking at projects to do with it. Oh, look, that's an Aurora Borealis one as well. Like little white ones coated. they'll all sparkle and pick up the sparkle from the gems next to them. Okay, and some blue ones, paler blue ones. Ooh, what colour are they? They're like a brownie colour. Ooh, they're different. And there's your red, and there's your gold. Okay, so they are absolutely super. I love both of those trays. So they came from AliExpress. I'll try and link the shop to them. They should still be available. Quite a good price, and they've come fairly quickly considering it's from China to the UK. So okay, and on to the next one. Okay, and the last two, I'm sure you've probably seen them before, but there's something that I wanted to get myself, and these are, oops, your little lights. And these you can use actually as battery, or they come as cord powered as well, so you can use both. They have a USB cable in them. Okay, let's have a look in this one, see if we can get it open. Oh, it's fighting back. Hang on. Need to get some nails so that I can get these open. Right, what have we got in this box here? Okay. So, oh, that's good. Oh, it's a bit smaller than I thought. Okay, where's my little base? Right, as I say, they do actually recommend with these as well that you don't leave batteries in if you are using the USB from your mains power. I suppose that's to stop the batteries overcharging or overheating. So you have your little base there, you've got an on-off switch, and there's your little, just a standard USB cable, so that's fab. Okay, and your batteries just go in the bottom there if you just want to have it portable. This Christmas I've put quite a few things on USB, to be honest, because I like my USBs and it saves on batteries. So again, you've got your standard little starter toolkit with everything you need to get started. So if you're wanting anybody as a present that's not diamond painted before, or somebody that's collecting the green boats, say, you can use those. Okay, now then, this is the little Santa. Look at him. He's a little bit smaller than I expected, but that's okay. He'll just fit above our fireplace on our mantelpiece. Again, we've got special drills, look. And it looks like the whole of Santa is diamond painted. And, oh yeah, that's all sticky. So the whole of this bit just has a bit of your cover on there, which you can just peel up and do a bit at a time. Again, I would put your special larger drills on first, because these drills are actually, can you see that? They are actually quite close up to these large ones. And again, sometimes you don't leave enough room for your large ones when you're putting the smaller ones around. Okay, and then when he's done, whoops, he'll just slot in there and light up. Again, I'm going to get these done so that you can see these all up and working, because I love these. I want them out for Christmas. Okay, let's just have a look and see what drills we have in this pack. Oops, sorry, I'm not very good at this. Keep knocking the stand. And I'm sorry for the crinkling. See if we've got any large. Oh yeah, there we are. There's the special ones. Oh, look at these. Wow, focusing. Look, small snowflakes. Look at those. Again, with an AB coating on them so that they sparkle. Oh, and they'll catch the light wonderfully when that light's turned on. And then, oh, there is buttons, look. Two big, just round ones. Now, that knocking wasn't me. That's Millie, our little Scotty dog, has just decided to lay on my feet while I'm doing this, because she hates to miss out on anything. So I do apologise. Okay, so here we are. We've got some blues, some golds. That's like quite a darkish, black, green. It's like a pinky colour. Oh, look, another white AB. I love those. They're great if you're doing snow scenes and things. Okay, some silver and, of course, red. Okay, so that's that one. Okay, let's have a look at the other one. And this is a Christmas tree. And again, I'm going to try and get these done for Christmas so you can see them. Apologies if you've already seen these before, but I've just wanted to get them for ages. Again, from AliExpress, the same shop as I got the plaques from. Oh, that wanted to come out quite quick. There's the little tree. There's our little starter set there. and your drills. We'll have a look at those in a moment. Okay, again, I won't open this one. This is your base with your power cord. And again, it has a warning on, don't leave batteries in if you're using your USB cable. So let's have a look at this tree. Oh, wow, look at that. It's got garlands going all the way across. We've got loads of specials there, look. Wow. Okay, is that focusing? That's a really clear drill field as well. These tend to be on the smaller things. Put your beads on first, your larger beads on first, and work around your sides just to make your life easier. And again, that'll just sit in your little stand and it will light up. So I'll get this one done and show you it when it's finished. Okay, so let's just have a look at these drills, see which specials we've got in this one. Okay. And oh, loads of babies in this one. Wow. Okay, so we've got your little gold bead, like half circles. They're really cute. And we've got some red half circles. Oops, get the light on those. Yep. And oh, some purple ones. Look at that. Oh, look at the shine through there. Get the light through there. That's fab. And some stars. Yay, we like the little stars. Okay, so let's see what we've got in here. Oh, we've got some plain whites, some plain reds, some plain greens. Oh, look, we've got an escapee there that's decided to join the green team. Another shade of green and a darker shade of green. And then look, ABs in yellow. Wow, look at those. Oh, they're stunning. Oh, I can't wait to get these started. It'll only be a couple of days and I'll have these up on the site. Okay, thanks for joining me. Hope you've liked what I've shown you. As I say, you've got your Christmas tree and your Santa lights there, which are absolutely wonderful. And then the 2 Christmas plaques. So, ho ho ho, Merry Christmas and thanks for watching. Hope to see you again. If you've enjoyed the video, please like below. If you want to leave any comments, please leave them down below. I'll try and link as much as I can. And if you really want to see some more of this fun, I'll try not to knock the stand in future, then please subscribe and have a bit more fun with us. Okay, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.